Hello everyone, welcome back to the Doers for Academy's YouTube channel. So we are here with another class. So let's start today's class. So we will solve today passage number 3, and the passage is: desert is a place where there is sand all around. So desert is a place which is made of sand, or there is sand all around desert. It is a hot and dry place, and desert is hot and a dry place. There is very little rain in deserts. So the desert is very hot and dry because there is no rain, or there is a very little rain. So only few trees go there, and because of that, because there is very little rain, because of that there is only few trees grow there. The only plants that grow in hot desert are cactus, date palms, and the only plants that grows in hot desert are cactus and date palms and thorny bushes, because the other trees which have leaves, they need water, and in desert there is very little water, and the plant which are cactus, date palm and thorny bushes, they don't need that much water. That's why that those trees only grows in desert. The Sahara is the biggest desert in the world, and the biggest desert in the world is Sahara. It stretches across the whole of North Africa, and it is situated, the Sahara desert is situated in the whole of the North Africa. The Arabian desert is also a very large desert in Africa, and there is also another desert which is Arabian desert, and it is also a large desert in Africa. There is a desert called the Thar desert in Rajasthan, and India there is a desert which is called Thar desert, which is situated in Rajasthan. Life in a desert is tough, and the life in desert is very tough because there is very little rain, and there is no such trees or water, and that's why the life in desert is very tough. The days are very hot and the nights are very cool, and in desert the days are very hot and the nights are very cool. People in desert regions do not need much water to grow, and people in desert region do not need much water to grow, because there is scarcity in the desert for water. The desert has little rainfall and there is a little rain, and in desert there is little rainfall and there has little rainfall and there is a little rain. So the passage is done. Now we will solve the questions. So the first question is: the biggest desert in the world is in. So where is the biggest desert in the world? So options are India, Africa, America, Arabia. So the correct answer is option number B. The biggest desert in the world is in Africa. Next, question number 2. The word across is an. So across is a verb, a adverb, a preposition, or a adjective. So the word across is an adjective. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question number 3. In desert regions, so what happens in desert regions? There is a heavy rainfall, there is no rainfall, there is enough rainfall, there is a little rainfall. So in the passage we learned that in desert region there is a little rainfall. Option number D is the correct answer. Next, the antonym of the word hot is. So what is the antonym of word hot? Options are cold, warm, pleasant, difficult. So the antonym of word hot is cold. Option number A. Next question: why very few trees grow in desert? So why the very few trees grows in desert? Options are because the climate is very cold, because there is a sand all around, because the trees need more care, because trees need water to grow. So the correct answer is option number A. because the climate so the correct answer is because the tree needs water to grow. Option D is the correct answer. So all the questions are done. So all the questions are done. Now we will see what other question can ask from the passage. So the first question is, what kind of a place is a desert? So the answer is, desert is a place where there is sand all around. And what kind of a place or what kind of weather is in desert? So it is a hot and dry place. Next question. Why do few trees grow in the desert? So why do few trees grows in the desert? There is very little rain in desert, so only few trees grow there. And what kind of plants grows in desert? Next question. So the answer is, the only plants that grow in the hot desert are cactus, date palms and thorny bushes. Next question. Which is the biggest desert in the world? So the answer is, the Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. And where is situated? So the Sahara is situated across the whole of the North Africa. And next is, where is Arabian desert is located? The Arabian desert is also very large desert in Africa. So Arabian desert is located in Africa. Next, where is Thar desert is situated? There is desert called the Thar, which is in Rajasthan. Next question, how is the life in desert? So the answer is, life in a desert is tough. Next question, what kind of weather is in desert in night and in day and night? So the days are very hot and the nights are cool. So these are the questions. Write it down in your copy and read this very carefully. So all the questions are done. Now we will do some synonym and antonyms of words. So the first word is desert, and the synonym of desert is arid land, arid land and dry region. So these are the synonym of desert. Now the antonym of desert. So the antonym is forest and green area. So these are the antonym of desert. And the next word is grow, and the synonym of grow is develop and expand. So these are the synonym of grow. Now the antonym of grow is shrink and dry. No. shrink and die. Next word is biggest, and the synonym of biggest is largest and greatest, and the antonym of biggest is smallest and tiniest. So these are the antonym of biggest. And next word is tough, tough, and the synonym of tough is difficult and hard, and the antonym of tough is easy and gentle. And next word is region, and the synonym of region is area and zone, and the antonym of region is whole and entirely. So these are the antonym of region. So write it down in your copies. So write it down this in your copies and read this very carefully. So this is it for today's class. Hope you like this class. If you like our class, then do like, share, subscribe to the Doers Warrior Academy's YouTube channel. And if you want to join us and want to purchase Doers Warrior Academy online courses, then do contact us in the given number. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.